essentially corporate governance is an issue of principal-agent relationship. There are two principals and two agents actually in sequential order. The first principal are the shareholders and the first agent is the board of directors. The second sequential relationship is between the board of directors and the professional management. Sometimes you have common membership in them, especially in form of managing director, the chief financial officer and all those things. The issue here is what the shareholders want and what the board delivers are clearly not with the same objectives. Secondly, what the board of directors want and professional managers do may not have the same objectives. And this dichotomy of principal-agent relationship is at the core of corporate governance. And most of the chaos in the corporate world which had erupted in 99, 2000, 2001 in the USA was arising out of this, that the shareholders were unaware of what the boards have done and the boards were unaware what some professional managers have done. And that is where the corporate governance genesis rises. It's a buzzword today, but yes, that was the genesis. And the word chosen was corporate governance, so I'm entitled to speak on it because I'm from government and I have nothing to do with corporate governance. So that was the thing. US reacted. US, reacts very fast to any proposition. US reacted. ICSI has to take the initiative of getting the audit committee to function, make its function absolutely like an independent audit committee which looks into the role. Don't think that if audit committee just passes it, your company law requirement has been met. You have to ensure that the audit committee or whatever. First thing is you must ensure that there is a good audit committee, and once there is a good audit committee, it goes into the detail. The whole board will never have the time to go into the whole accounts in detail. So I think that's the first thing I would say, that ICSI should take the initiative in seeing that all the audit committees take their job very seriously, assist them in whatever form possible so that you can say that the accounts are in good shape.